Hey everybody, and welcome to Soflo Crypto, and today we're going to be talking about pancakeswap and trustwallet and cake coins, among other things. To start us off here, we have Kevin's phone up, so he's going to guide us through really quickly, show us trustwallet, show us pancakeswap, and why right now is a perfect time to buy cake.
All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your app store, whether it's iPhone or Android, and download Trust Wallet. And then once you download it and set it up, it's going to have you create it's going to give you a 12-word recovery phrase. And you're going to want to write that down and store it in a safe place, because if you do lose that, you won't be able to get back into your Trust Wallet, therefore losing any crypto you have stored in there.
Yeah.
All right, so after that, you're going to open up your Trust Wallet. You'll go in and you'll click on where it says Smart Chain, because that's the Binance coin and on Binance's Smart Chain. At the top right, you will see Buy. Click Buy. They're going to take you to a third-party provider. They charge you around anywhere from like $6 to $9 on $100. So it is quite a bit of a fee. The only way around that would be going on to Binance.us and purchasing your Binance coin on there and then sending it to your Trust Wallet. Be aware, if you do it on there, it's about a 7 to 10 days waiting period for you to transfer off of there though. So if you want to do it fast, you'll have to use Simplex third-party provider, pay a little bit of a fee, purchase it. After that, you'll go to your browser.
By fast, I think he means like 15 minutes.
Yeah, depending. Yeah. All right, so you open up your browser and you will punch in at the top pancakeswap.finance. I already have it in my history, so I'm just going to click that. Then on the top left, you'll see the 3 lines from the drop-down menu where you can click Trade and then Exchange. On this screen, you'll be able to exchange your Binance coin into whatever coin you like. You'll click Select a Currency. You have a drop-down. From there, you can pick your cake. As you see, there's a lot of options. Swap your Binance into cake. They'll charge you a small fee. I want to say anywhere from 50 cents to like $1.
Yep.
It's a lot cheaper than Uniswap though. And then from that point, once you have your cake, you'll go in your Trust Wallet, and then you'll be able to stake and start earning either more cake or some other cryptos. So after that, you go to your pools, and if we look here, they give you a few different options to earn the cake, as well as quite a few other coins. And a new thing that they just added is where you can actually stake. If you have your Doge coin, you can stake some Doge and start earning cake with your Doge coin, which is a great option that they just added.
Unless you bought it in Robinhood, and
yeah,
therefore you're fucked. Just saying.
Yeah, if you purchase it in Robinhood, you're basically stuck in Robinhood. You're not able to transfer it out because they don't have a wallet feature yet. Take a quick look. We can see what do I have staked right here. I did stake some cake. And the win
4,000 win. How long have you had that in there? Like 5 days?
Probably, I think like maybe 4 days, somewhere around there.
Yeah.
So I already got 4,000 coins, and for me to unstake my cake and earn those coins as well, you have to click the minus right here, and I'll ask you how much of your cake do you want to unstake. Just hit the max and hit confirm. You see right there, it's going to charge you 50 cents for the transaction. So we're going to unstake that. So let's check the wallet. Let's see if it came through yet. Let's see, the price went up. So we do have our cake back in the wallet now, as well as our win point. And for us to find that, we go to the top right. The little menu up there. Search win. See, it's right here, link. No, wrong one. Right here.
There's a bunch.
Make sure it's the BEP20. Let's see if it's accurate. Yeah, it's in the Trust Wallet now. Now it's showing my amount of link I have in my Trust Wallet, how much it's worth. Now we can go back to the pancakeswap pools. I know. I think you have your cake staked in win as well, right?
Yeah, I have it staked in win, and I have it staked in to earn more cake as well.
Yeah, cake pool as well.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna take it out of win here soon. Yeah, cause cake right now, I mean, Right now is the time to buy it. It's down a shit ton. I mean, it was at what, 40 almost, and it's at 25, 26.
Yeah, hit an all-time high about a week and a half ago.
You're gonna be getting it. 42. Yeah, you're gonna be getting it at almost 40% off. All right, so you're gonna what? You're gonna put it back in the cake pool now?
Yeah.
Are you putting in a manual cake or auto cake?
I'm gonna stick it in the manual cake.
Can you tell us what the difference is between the two?
Well, every time you unstake your cake to take out the profits, and if you want to put the profits back in, there's a small fee to do that every time. So if you're staking just a little bit of cake, it's not really going to be worth it for to keep, unstaking and restaking the profits. So basically compound your interest if it's just a small amount.
Which is basically what auto does.
Yeah, and if you have a large amount, that would be more beneficial. But right now, it's just a couple hundred or several hundred. I'm just gonna go with the manual cake and stake. I'll put my max amount of cake in there. Right now, you see it's only valued at 270 because everything's down right now. Just a week ago, it's valued at like 380.
Yeah.
So right now is a real good time to buy cake, and you can see it's down. We're gonna hit confirm. They're gonna charge me another 50 cents.
Those bastards.
Restake. Send it.
50 cents is not that bad compared to some of the gas fees on Uniswap.
Yeah, it was like 200 something last week.
It was really bad.
Yeah. All right, so now we can see our cake is staked in the pool. We go back to the wallet. You see that balance is about to drop once you refresh. Boom. Now it's a great way to earn some more crypto. Like you can see, you can take the Doge if you did buy it on. I know there's more options to buy Doge on now. You can actually stake it and start earning some cake, which is a great option.
Yeah. And just one more time, just because I know maybe it's like ballsy to say things like this, but I cake is definitely going to go back up. And
yeah, because cake is the decentralized exchange for Binance, and Binance is still top 3 market cap. It's still in 3rd place. It's been sitting there for a long time with 77 billion market cap. So it's not going nowhere anytime soon. They're going to be adding a lot of things to their platform as well.
Yep.
So there's still a lot of growth coming for Binance, and pancakeswap is their decentralized exchange. So
yep,
that's gonna be doing a lot. So
pancakeswap is the Uniswap of BNB. So just think about that. It's gonna go back up. You guys got to buy some now while it's down, and that's it, right? I mean,
yep. We'll be back with another video talking about I don't know what the fuck yet. So stay tuned.
Jesus.
Yeah.
I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, subscribe, like, hit the notification bell because we are going to be putting out more videos daily.